This is the livery stable at historic Chesterfield, Idaho. This was used as travelers came through to go to Fort Hall. They would change their horses, and it was part of the store. This is a harness machine that had leather belts that went down around the wheels, and then it has pedals in the back that would help move the needle up and down, and they would use this to repair or make harnesses. Back here is the rest of the livery stable, and as you can see, we have some new wood because it was restored. They would bring the loose hay in through this opening and stack it loosely up here. When they needed to feed the livestock, they would use a pitchfork and put it down the chute into the stall at the bottom. They also have a grain bin over here. This is a grain bin where they would store the grain that they used to feed their livestock.